Welcome to Photoshop Tricks Under 2 Minutes. In my previous tutorial, I showed you how to add a snow effect manually. This one is the same as adding snow to an image but using neural filters. First, go to Filter, and choose Neural Filters. In the Neural Filters panel, click or enable the Landscape Mixer. Then increase the winter slider depending on how much snow you would like to add. Next, click the Add to Selection icon that can be found in the upper left of your screen. And in the option bar, look for Mask and click on Invert. Brush on which part of the image you want to apply the snow effect. Once done, click OK. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.